have a monkey in your pants?
Right then folks, this is another gameplay video for you. This time we're looking at Castlevania on the Amiga. Released in 1990, developed by Novatrade, released by Konami. Now, everybody knows what Castlevania is, and I never even knew this existed on the Amiga until I was looking through the games, and I spied it and I was like, I have to try this. Never knew it was out. Don't know, Castlevania 1, 2, 3, 4, how does this work in the series of Castlevania games? I do not know, never seen it, never heard of it for the Amiga, never played it. So this is a first. Let's have a quick look at Castlevania on the Amiga. I'm just guessing that it's not going to stand up to the likes of Castlevania 4 on the SNES. Oh, I recognise that music. Let's start a new game. We'll see how this fares actually. 1990, is that a fairly early Amiga game? Soon see what it's like. Where am I? Oh, it's jerky. It's not the smoothest sprite animation thing in the world. Certainly Castlevania-esque so far. Oh, he just ran in there by himself. Money. Oh no, crap bags. Turn round, Simon. Is his name Simon? Oh my god, these better not be like... Holy fuck. Are these like never-ending, repeating zombie things? Oh really? Come on. I think this is like the dreaded conversion. No, this is continuous sprite. Does that give me health? No, what do the hearts do? Oh, I died. That's not good. Oh my god, I'm way back here. It might look like I'm being a tube and not turning around at certain points, but it just will not turn around very well when you're doing this and fighting. Why is it taking me all the way back to the start is what I want to know. That's a bit pump. It's never ending spawning baddies is what's... Ah, he can't get his whip out quick enough. Once he turns, turn you, Simon. You're not going to kill any vampires today. Right, I think we should just progress as quickly as possible. If they want to keep coming at me. Come on. I do recognise the what's that? Oh my god. He jumped up. Oh, what the fuck? Getting up there is a bit tricky. There we go. Certainly, nothing compared to... Oh, I didn't even see him. Where's he going? Oh my god. Nothing compared to the SNES version. I can't get him for shit. Oh, how did that get him? That wasn't even on the same level as him. Same height as him. It's a pretty poor attempt at a Castlevania game. I'll quite happily say that as much... Oh, I'm gonna die as much as I love the Amiga. It's not a great version. Am I done? Nice. But we'll continue because I've got a feeling I'm not going to last very long, that's for sure. It looks like it was made on some... Why could I not hit that? Holy fuck. There's a chicken in here. Oh, I remember seeing chicken in lots of other versions of this game. Oh, I don't know what I was saying. Oh, what's he doing? Oh my god, I don't know where I'm going. Oh, down here. It looks like, you know, you used to get shoot 'em up construction kit and things like that where you could make up games yourself. That's what it looks like. Game creators and stuff. Oh my god, I'm just jumping. Come on! Right, get away from those seamen things, whatever they are. Because they're just gonna... I pressed the button. I'm glad I didn't have to start this. Oh, I do. Oh my god, my whip's tiny now. I've got the world's tiniest whip. How do I get a bigger whip? A bit bigger now. A bit bigger, I need to go back there. Damn! doesn't get his whip out quick enough when you see a bad guy. Right. Right, I'm just gonna fucking peg it. Because I got... Oh my god. Really? Where's my lives? How many lives have I got? Let's just fucking motor on. See if I can actually even get past that bit down the bottom. The Game Boy version is even better than this. That's it, the Amiga's a great machine. Sometimes you've got great games, but sometimes you've got absolutely toss ports. Toss efforts of games like this. Oh no! That's a fuck up. Novatrade, I'm gonna hunt you down and kill you for what you done to Castlevania on the Amiga. Because it sucks balls. Please feel free to comment, like, subscribe. I'll catch you next time. I'm coming for you, Novatrade. You hurt my beloved Castlevania. Goodbye.
Do you have a monkey in your pants?